Let's check that market, please. I don't like the look of this. We're way down. 300 points down for the Dow, 239 off for the Nasdaq. Now, have a look at Salesforce and Microsoft and Amgen. Those are three Dow stocks. Taken together, well, they're all down, sharply so. They take 170 points off the Dow Jones average. And look at Microsoft, right at $500 a share and down. Eddie Ghabour with me this morning. You think that if the shutdown and tariff situation is over by Thanksgiving, if that's the case, would that be a real big plus for the market?
I'm more confident in the shutdown being done by Thanksgiving than I am on the tariff ruling from the Supreme Court. But I think both of those items are part of the reason why we've seen volatility increase and we're seeing the sell-off that we're seeing here and the volatility back and forth. And we're going to get to a point where the shutdown is now really going to start impacting economic data as well as travel. And the reason why I'm confident we're going to have this resolved probably next week is if we go into Thanksgiving, it's going to be a mess travel-wise. It's one of the most widely traveled time periods in the country, and there'll be a lot of revenue loss and a much bigger hit on the economy, and I think the market's sniffing that out. So D.C. is going to have a lot of pressure on them to get this done by next week. In regards to the tariffs, the two biggest issues we're going to have there if they rule against President Trump is the uncertainty it's going to bring, because that's a big part of the economic policy. And are they going to make us pay back billions of dollars of money that's already been received? That'd be an administrative nightmare. So it's a lot moving happening right now in this market.
Do you think that NVIDIA is a buy? I think you're telling investors if it drops below $200, if it's below $200, then it's a buy. Well, it's $192 now. Are you buying?
Stuart, we are. We love this name going into the next 3 to 4 months. I mean, at the end of the day, I don't think there's a company that has a bigger impact from a China trade deal than NVIDIA. Their ability to start to sell chips again in China is going to be a huge tailwind for this company. And anything under 200, where today, to my opinion, if you got the right risk tolerance, is a great entry point to start getting back in. And then we have earnings at the 19th of November, I believe. And I think earnings are going to show some real acceleration and guidance as well, too. So I think if we fast forward a few weeks from now, you'll be glad that you bought today if you got the right risk tolerance for this name.
I'm just not sure I've got the right risk tolerance at this stage of my life. Eddie Ghabour, you're all right. Thanks for joining us. See you again soon.